Hey guys, Derek here from Addictive Tips. So this video here, we're going to be talking about how you can automate the trash bin. So what is the trash bin, you might ask? Well, it's this little thing here. So I've got some files here, and generally I usually forget to delete the files in my trash bin. Sometimes I empty it eventually, but it usually builds up and fills up. And what I used to do is I used to go through my settings in my file manager and just disable the ability for it to send stuff to the trash. But if you do that, then if you lose a file, you can't get it back. So a better solution is to use the auto trash utility, and the auto trash utility can automatically empty your trash after a set amount of time. The default setting is a certain amount of time. I can't read the stuff right on my hand right now, but if I pull up the article, we can see a little bit more about it. So yes, if you look at the auto trash configuration that I have in my article here, you can see that it's set to delete your trash after 30 days automatically. So that's quite useful, especially if you're someone who, doesn't really pay attention to these things, doesn't want to do it manually. But in this post, I talked about how you can install the software. So before we get started, you're going to need to go ahead and install it. But once you've got it installed, you're going to need to get access to cron. So let's start up a cron window. So the way auto trash works is it uses a cron job. So the developer has stated it's best to use a cron job, and I cover this in my post here. And it's best to use a cron job because it can run daily and it can automatically execute every 30 days. So what you do is you do cron tab tac e. You want to do editor equals nano. And from there you go to my post here, and you can copy this if you just want auto trash to automatically run for just your users. So this would be just my computer, my username, not other users that I have set up on my system. And I can paste that, I can press Control O, save it, and it will install the new cron tab. And now I know that auto trash is going to run on my user. And in 30 days, everything in here will be automatically deleted. Now, if I want to have this set for all of my users, which I think is arguably more useful, we can delete this and we can use the other line. And this line here at the bottom of the post means that every single user, every single trash file folder, it could be like 100 users, it could be like 3 or 4. It will do it for everybody. And same thing, just save your cron tab and it will install the new cron tab. And then auto trash will run. It'll run in the background and set up your stuff. So that's how you set up auto trash. It's an automatic script program type thing. It runs on Python and it will clean up your trash automatically on Linux. Hope you guys found this useful. Just a quick little tip here, but I will see you guys in the next video.